Hello, PreAlgebra. So, like we talked about last week in our synchronous session, here is the readiness diagnostic. When you're ready, go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and try it out. You'll only have one attempt at it, so do your best, but know that no matter how well or poorly you do, I am just collecting this as some feedback so I can better match where you guys are going to be at. So even if you miss a few questions, you'll still get the full 10 points just for trying it, doing it, and completing all the questions. Our synchronous session will be on Wednesday this week, and so go ahead and give this a try for the first couple of days. Once you're finished with the readiness diagnostic, I do have a new assignment here called a note upload. Essentially, I want to be able to look at the notes that you've written, the work that you've done. And so as you're doing the readiness diagnostic, write down the problems, work through the problems on that sheet of paper, and then you can do it by taking a photo with your Chromebook or through a couple of other methods and just upload the work that you've done. I'll be able to put it into the gradebook for 10 points. I'll be able to see what you've written down, get some feedback through that piece of evidence as well as talking and working with you. And so I look forward to having that note upload in addition to your other work this week. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you guys soon.